Hi, and welcome to Mondays with Melissa. I'm Melissa Brett, co-owner of Weldon Hardware, your hometown hardware store. Today, we're talking about grills. It's time for outdoor gatherings, picnics, and backyard barbecues. Most people don't realize that whether your grill is either 2 years old or 20 years old, it needs annual maintenance. When you are grilling, food drippings not only cover your cooking grates, but the heat deflectors, the burners, and the grease ends up eventually into the grease drip tray. When grills are unused even for a short amount of time, animals quickly build nests and are not always clearly visible. Lack of cleaning will eventually lead to lighting issues, uneven heat distribution, or hot spots while cooking. In some cases, we have seen grills catch on fire due to a buildup of grease and food debris. It's a lot more common than you think. I wanted to share about a recent customer's grill that came into our store for repair due to not lighting, which is very common. Now, it's only 3 years old and not used in the wintertime. And we are glad this customer decided to have us fix it before they even tried using it this spring. Let me show you the before and after photos and walk you through what we found. The cooking grates were never scraped off. We recommend scraping the grates after you have fully preheated the grill, allowing the food remnants from prior use to soften, and it makes it easier to remove. Good quality cooking grates cleaned regularly can last for years, even seasoned well like a cast iron pan. The heat deflectors on this grill were not only improperly seated, but also covered in buildup. Depending on the brand of grill, these should be rotated every few months to make the heat distribution more even, and they will typically self-clean doing this. A little rust on these are fine, but it would be a time to replace them if any had rusted all the way through. Under the heat shields are your burners. Now in this photo, the amount of buildup is so bad that it was starting to touch the backside of the burners, causing premature wear, as well as overtaking the crossover burner tube, which causes hot spots and rusting. Like the heat shields, a little rust on the burners is okay, but when the debris starts overtaking them, this is what can cause the burners to fail, or worse, catch the debris on fire. Under the cook box is a smaller grease tray that has replaceable liners. When this and the entire bottom of the cook box is full of food and grease buildup, it will inevitably cause issues with the proper functioning of your grill, like this one. We have seen several grills that have caught on fire, and always it's because of a lack of maintenance. So remember to always have a fire extinguisher nearby. Now, if you're not sure on how to clean and maintain your grill, just ask us. We'll gladly help you through the process for your specific grill. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Mondays with Melissa, and I can't wait to share more of us at Weldon Hardware with you at home.